Welcome to Python tutorial, lesson 14. Today we learn about list comprehensions. Comprehensions create lists in a single line. A list comprehension builds a list from an expression. Add if to filter items from the list. Use if-else to transform each item. Let us create list_basics.py. Squares takes x squared for each x in range 6. Doubles multiplies each number by 2. Evens keeps only numbers divisible by 2. Passing filters scores 60 and above. Labels uses if-else to mark even or odd. A loop appends each item one by one. The comprehension does the same in one line. Let us review the code with that. Now let us run the code. Squares produced 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. If-else labeled each number as even or odd. Loop and comprehension gave the same result. Nested comprehensions flatten or create grids. Dict and set comprehensions use curly braces. Generator expressions save memory with parentheses. Let us create advanced_comprehensions.py. Nested loops flatten the matrix into one list. The outer loop creates rows, inner fills values. Dict comprehension maps each word to its length. We filter the dict to keep scores 60 and above. Set comprehension removes duplicates automatically. Generator uses parentheses instead of brackets. Next gets values one at a time from the generator. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. The 3 by 3 matrix flattened into 9 numbers. Dictionary mapped apple to 5, banana to 6. The generator yielded 0, then 1, with 4, 9, 16 remaining. Let us build a word analyzer with comprehensions. We extract, measure, and filter words from sentences. Each step uses a different type of comprehension. Let us create word_analyzer.py. We define 4 sentences as sample text. Nested comprehension splits and flattens all words. Dict comprehension maps each unique word to its length. We filter words with 5 or more letters. Set comprehension collects unique first letters. A generator expression calculates average word length. Min and max find the shortest and longest words. Let us review the code with BAT. Now let us run the word analyzer. We extracted 17 words from the 4 sentences. 10 words had 5 or more letters, like Python. The average word length was about 5.8 characters. Let us recap list comprehensions. Comprehensions create lists in one clean line. Dict, set, and generator use the same pattern. Add if to filter, if else to transform. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore file handling.